Hi guys, my name is Kushal Yusufzai. I go King's College London. I do philosophy there. This is my best friend Shayan.
Hello guys, I'm Shayan. I'm a first year medical student at the Holyoke Medical School.
And today we will like to go through 10 things that wish we knew before going to university. And at the end of the video, we got the game changer tip for you. So stay tuned for that. We'll get right into it. First thing I wish I knew is that change is hard. I went with the expectation that university is going to be my best life, it's going to be easy, and I've done my A-levels and finally I get to relax and enjoy. No, that's not the case. You end up, when you go there, you might end up feeling lonely, you leave your friends behind, they go to different university, and it's a difficult step. And just notice it, like controlling your expectation would help you a lot. And yeah, that's something I wish I knew. Just go with the flow, and there's this quote from 5 AM Club that change is hard at the beginning, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. And yeah, although change is hard, it's also beautiful, and trust yourself that you can adapt even though it's a completely different new experience to A-levels and GCSE. Just trust yourself that you will adapt, which you will.
Okay, the second point is don't be too worried about making new friends and establishing a friendship group right at the start. It'll naturally happen, it's inevitable. You'll make friends from the parties you go to because you'll see the same people, the societies that you attend because you all have the same common interests, and also your flatmates. Most of my closest friends are from my flat because I see them day in, day out, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So it's a matter of when, not if, you make friends, so don't worry about it. I should point out that you shouldn't really force yourself to make friends or change yourself in order to be friends with some people, because those friendships will never last. And especially if you change yourself, you'll get caught up for being fake and it never goes right. And also for the point of drinking, a lot of people don't drink and still have a great time. Personally, I don't do that, and I've made many friends, many strong friends. I know a lot of people are worried that when they go to university, they won't fit in, they won't be able to join in, and so that's nothing to worry about, and there's people that suit you at any stages, so it's all fine.
Yeah, be yourself. Second thing I wish I knew is how much responsibility university comes with. So all of a sudden, we are during our teenage years, we have a lot of, we don't have that much independence, and all of a sudden you can do anything you want. You can spend all day on computers, you can playing games and not work, and that would be detrimental. So being responsible, like the Spider-Man quote, with great power comes great responsibility. Yes, independence is sweet. Yes, it allows you to grow and explore new things, but please be responsible. And also, in terms of course, teachers won't spoon-fed you information and what you have to do. And if you want to adjust into uni, you have to actually reach out for help. To have the access to best resources, you need to go and ask. It's not like GCSEs and A-levels that they will give you all the resources and they will tell you about the opportunity, or there's they won't tell you like, okay, we need reps, we need there's a society that has positions available. You have to go and seek that out. And a lot of people go with the expectation that it will be like school and A-levels, sixth form, but they end up getting disappointed. And yeah, so it's a step into adulthood, and although it's fun, it also comes with its challenges.
Okay, so the third tip is make sure you always track and manage your money. Now this might be the first time that you've been given a large sum of money from student loan and or don't have your parents there to tell you what to buy and what not to buy. So yeah, university time is really a time to be independent and make your own financial decisions. What I'm not trying to say is don't spend your money, because that would be hypocritical of me. I spent a lot of money during my first year.
Yeah, same man.
But what I am saying is try and set up a budget or give someone accountability of your money, so they maybe every week or every month give you a set amount of money so that you are always on track and don't overspend. Obviously people can go into overdraft and it's there for a reason, but I would advise not to go there. We have a couple of friends that have gone into overdraft and
that's not where you want to be.
You don't want to be there.
You don't want to be there,
And remember, you've got a lot of necessary things to buy or spend your money on, such as rent, food.
Yeah.
You have to spend your money on that, as well as going out, eating, drinking, whatever. So you just have to be wise with your money.
Okay, on to the next thing that I wish I knew before going to university. And I learned the hard way. I got complacent the year before that, when I took a retake here, before that, my mental health, I was very depressed and all of the above, and I got complacent. When I got out of that dark stage, I thought it can't happen again. And in the middle of uni, I had initially when I went in, I was living on my own, and I felt so lonely. My mental health was on ropes, and I didn't really talk to anyone, and I had this, I don't know, maybe I thought I would seem weak or things like that, like a little ego problem. And plus I was trying to force happiness, that now I'm at uni, I want to be happy, but it's not always like that. So just it's a completely new experience. So just to prepare yourself for, how we physically prepare ourselves, our body when we go to gym. So the same thing goes for the mind. If you want to train your mind, you want to live a happy, healthy life, you have to train this. And you can do that by speaking to your best friends, people that can give you that emotional support, therapist, mentor.
Okay, the next one is something that I wish I, listened to my own advice, which is to be proactive and very engaged in your workshops and seminars. So those things have been set up so you can develop yourself, whether it's your knowledge of the actual topic you're learning, so it will help you in the exams, or like even communication skills, something that's very inevitable that you'll need to use and require good skills for the future. And also make sure to build a rapport with the students and also the teachers. I remember at the start when I went to my first seminar session, it was very quiet, no one wanted to speak, there was a lot of tension and worry in the air. But as soon as one person started to speak, it broke the ice, everyone started to get along, and since that, now I've got good friends on my course, so I can always contact them for help, and they can help me. And university is like a team game activity. It's not a one-man thing. You always work together with other people.
Literally facts, man. Facts, absolute facts. Yeah. If you're gonna do the whole lone wolf mentality that you can do it on your own and it will make you will look weak. No, that's not the case. You're going to uni to build those team skills. And man, on point. Literally, that advice he just gave you, it will literally transform. Leave your ego out of it. If you need help, please ask.
And also, you're paying 9K for it, so you might as well use the services available.
You get me? Yeah. Okay, finally, to the game changer thing that, changed my whole uni experience, especially grades academically. And it also links to Shayan's last point, that is speak to your teachers. Like, okay, I'll give you an example. My first 3 years at universities, I was getting low 2-1s, and I had no confidence, man. I was like, am I fluking this? And I was like, I'm barely scraping it. What if I get, next one I fail? I did not have that confidence. So even if you might say that, 2-1 is decent, why would you be worried about that? But if I don't know why I'm getting a 2-1, then I won't stick to those good habits, those good techniques. You also need to know what you are doing correctly. And after those 3 essays, I was like, something needs to change. For the next essay, I spoke to my tutor for three times. I had 3 meetings on him with 1 essay. And I got, almost a first on that one. And the essays after that, I was consistently getting first. By just making this small change, by, asking for help, because like you said, that's what they did. Like, you're paying 9K, and I'm paying a broad fees, I'm paying 19K. So, you gotta make most of this facilities you have. And again, they won't spoon-fed you. If you don't tell them what your problems are, they will not get solved.
Okay, and my final tip is that don't expect first year of university to be the best year of uni of your life. Because for the most part, it definitely won't be like that. People think that if they haven't had a first year, it can only get worse because first year is meant to be the best, and second and third. But that's completely the wrong approach. If anything, as the years go on, you'll get better. It'll be better because you'll have an established friendship group. Mm-hmm. You'll know, you'll have a grasp of the course you're doing, so it'll be kind of easier. And also, you'll know your way around that new city. And most people change where they study to a different city, so it'll be a whole different scenario. First year can be very stressful, but getting through first year is a big step, and second and third year and so on will be a lot easier. So don't stress about it. First year, you'll still make amazing memories and amazing friends, and it can only get better, so nothing to be worried about.
Just be patient, work hard, enjoy as well, but with discipline comes freedom. Stay disciplined. And that's that. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share, so if you think you can help someone else, other students out, and we really appreciate you for listening. Thank you so much. Peace out. Yes, go! We smashed it, fam.